Hello my friend, Simon here. In this video I'm going to show you how to earn up to $300 per day using clickbank and Pinterest. So what I would like to do first is I would like to show you proof that actually I'm making money on clickbank. So here you can see that I'm receiving multiple payments from clickbank for $1,000, $800, $400, and also we are receiving bigger commissions for $7,000, $3,000, and also for $6,984. So those are all weekly payments. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to show you in the first part of this video how to make money on Pinterest with clickbank and Pinterest. So this will be free strategy, and second part of this video we will be talking about how you can make big money on clickbank using other paid strategies. Okay, so stay with me until the end of the video. We will have this video put in a lot of value, and you don't have to put in any investment in money to make money. So first part is free, and second part we'll be talking about how to invest money to make big money. Okay, so let's take a look at step by step what you have to do. So first of all, what you will have to do is you will have to go to clickbank and find high converting offer. So I assume that by now you already have a lot of you clickbank account, otherwise you would not be watching this video. So go to clickbank, click on marketplace, and here you will see search bar, click search, and you will see that on the first page there are a lot of high paying and high converting offers with high gravity score. So first step will be for you to find offer that is that have a gravity number more than 100. So most of those products here on clickbank on the first page will have gravity number more than 100. So what we are going to do first is we will find some product with high payout, like this one, Java Burn. You see gravity number or score is 396 and average conversion $124. So gravity numbers basically is calculation that will clickbank do every week. This will tell you how many affiliates made at least one sale in the last week or in the past week with this product. So we can see this product is paying $124 commissions, and also gravity score is really high, so it's pretty good product to promote. So what you will do is basically click on this product first, and you will see exactly what this product is all about. So basically it's all about how to burn fat. Basically it's like a supplement that people will take to lose weight or burn fat. So basically now that we know what product this is all about, we can basically create an affiliate link. So step number one when you have your product is to create an affiliate link. So let's click on promote and type in your account nickname, and here under tracking ID you type in Pinterest. All right, so Pinterest is basically tracking ID. You type in Pinterest, so when you will get the sale, you will know exactly from where that sale is coming from. So what you're going to do now is click copy, and when you have an affiliate link, then the next step will be for you to basically create tracking link. So you can use bit.ly or tiny URL. So this you can see is pretty long and ugly link, so we cannot use that link on Pinterest because I think our post will be rejected. So what you will do is click copy, and then you will open up tiny URL. All right, and then you will here paste your clickbank link, and you will basically here you can select tiny URL, and you can type in here after that Java burn, click make tiny URL. Alright, so this one is not available, Java burn 123. Alright, it's available. So what we are going to do right now is basically click copy, and you will see that right now we will be promoting this short beautiful link, tiny URL / Java burn 123. Alright, so now that we have this link copied, our next step will be to go to Pinterest and set up your account. So add some information. So let's say if you're promoting, if you don't want to put yourself out, your name, your photo. Basically what you can do is basically use a brand name. Let's say don't use brand name of Java Burn. This is not, not allowed. But use something like an easy way to lose weight, weight loss tips, weight loss strategies, weight loss coaching, mentorship. So basically things like this you can use to create Pinterest account, add some photo of a person with a good fit body, and then you will be ready to basically make the first post. So let's go to Pinterest. Let me open up Pinterest. Here I have an account already opened, and what you're going to do is first go to Google, go to Google Photos and type in here, let's say, woman in the gym, and you can basically find photo of a fit woman in the gym, save photo, and you will post that photo on basically you can post that on your Pinterest, number one. Or even better, what you can do, instead of making photo posts and posting photos, you can literally do what I'll show you right now. You can go to Pinterest and you can find 10 posts with the most likes and leave a comment with your tracking link on each post. So this is a powerful way to tap into traffic, people that are already looking to lose weight. So let's go to basically back to Pinterest, and here in the search box you will type in weight loss. Click search, and then you will see here different posts. So find post with the most likes. Okay, so here is one 257 likes, another one 698 likes, 1000 likes. So let's see other one here 94. So there is not many. So what we will do is say lose how to lose weight and search. Okay, can find lose weight fast. So basically we will be searching for keywords related to what our product is all about. Okay, so let me see here. Let me go back to here to this tool that I'm using. So basically we have fast way to lose weight, easy. Let's try this one. Okay, so basically just play with this one and try to find a few keywords yourself. You can also use Google search basically. So here you can see those here a few posts, but there are no likes. So we keep searching until we find posts with the most likes. So here is one I was before looking recently, weight loss food tips. So here you can see there is 1900 likes. So there are 40 people that have left a comment. So basically what you can do is basically add your own comment here. So you can basically type in something in this phrase like let's see, I will copy from this page something what is all about. Java burn, the world's first only natural proprietary patient pending formula that when coffee can increase both the speed and efficiency of metabolism. That's never been. Okay, so let's say something really simple. So let's go back to Pinterest and let's say let me say I just discovered a simple and easy way to lose 5 kilograms in the past let's say 40 days by working out only, let's say, 15 minutes per day. And you can say here check it out, and you can leave your tiny URL. So basically copy this tiny URL link from here and just paste that link in here. Okay, check it out here, and then you simply click done, and your post will go live on this comment area, and there will be a lot of people that will see this post. But the best time to make the post is when the person will make the post. So if you see that there is a post that was posted just like 1 minute or 3 minutes ago, it's always the best way to post it right away, because it means that in the next 24 hours you can get in front of, let's say, like here 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000 people that will see your link and will basically click on your link, and when they purchase you can earn up to $124. Okay, so my friend, basically what you have to do is you have to find 10 posts every single day that have the most likes, 100, 200, 300, 1000, and leave your tracking link and post on in a comment area, and do it for 30 days, and you can create yourself a pretty sustainable income doing that. Okay, so this was free strategy. Now we will be talking about how to earn big money like $7,000 in 1 week. So how I have done that is basically by using this simple blueprint. So myself, I'm promoting high paying affiliate offer on clickbank that are paying me between $500 to $1,000 commissions. So this is pretty simple strategy. What we are doing is, promoting high paying offers so we can, earn a lot more money by having less sales. So there are 2 recommended products that I recommend to promote. So if you would like to earn up to $1,000 per day in commissions and have it automated, if you don't want to waste 30 minutes per day to an hour on Pinterest making posts and looking for people that are going to buy, you can literally go and find one of those products on ClickBank, Super Affiliate System, or Fast Tracks. So number 1 product is Super Affiliate Systems. Let's go to ClickBank, and here in the search box we will type in Super Affiliate System, click search, and then what we are going to do is simply, you can see here, you can earn $970 commission per sale. So with this product you can earn almost $1,000 versus the first one, was like $120. So you will make, with one sale a lot more money. So that means if you get 5 to 10 sales per month, you can earn between $5,000 to $10,000. So what you're going to do is simply click on promote button, and you will create your own affiliate link. So first you will type in your account nickname in here, then you can type in your tracking ID, which is optional, it's not necessary. Then you select default landing page, click generate hop link, and click on copy button here. So then you will copy your link. When you copy your link, step number 2 will be for you to get buyers traffic between 250 up to 1000 buyers clicks. Now with Pinterest, my friend, when you are going after posting those photos or comments, you're literally going after everybody. So there is no literally, those traffic are not really super responsive, or they will not really, literally a lot of them will not buy. So when we are promoting products, high paying offers like this one, we are going after buyers, after people that are already looking to buy a product that we are promoting. So under the video, I'm going to leave the link to this page called Clicks to Commissions. So this is my private traffic agency that I have created, where we will do heavy lifting for you. So instead of you going out and posting, every single day, doing heavy lifting, you can come to us and you can purchase, let's say, you decide how many clicks you would like to send to your affiliate link. So we have 4 packages starting with 250 clicks up to 1000 buyers clicks. So let's say you would like to send 500 clicks to your ClickBank link. You select this package, you enter your first name, last name, email address, you simply paste your ClickBank link in here, and you can complete the purchase. You can use PayPal credit, and also you can pay with crypto currencies, and we will drop in extra 250 clicks for you. So if you would like to try out this strategy, click the link below the video and purchase how many clicks you would like, and we will do all the heavy lifting for you. Send traffic straight to your links so you can start earning those big ticket commissions, so you don't have to waste time and time on Pinterest. So if you have any questions, my friend, or need any help, let me know. Follow me on my Facebook page. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. And if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, there will be there is a red subscribe button under this video. Subscribe, follow me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. And let me know how much money have you made or by trying out this strategy.